Hey YouTube, and thanks for watching Junkworks Garage. Well, we're working on the Razor 800 here, and I need to adjust the lights. I noticed when I was doing the front end here that there's some screws in there that you need to tighten at certain areas, which I will show you later. And that's how you adjust your lights. So I thought I'd do the video on this. It's fairly simple. But I got a piece of cardboard there. I could turn it around and do it on my garage door, but I had some big pieces of cardboard, so I decided to throw that up there. Turned out the lights, or turned down the lights, most of them anyway, and we're just going to kind of see where they're at right now. And I gotta say, they're actually fairly decently lined up looking, but as I can show you, they're very easy to move around. So I would say these actually probably need to come down a little bit so you're not blinding everybody and you're seeing more what's in front of you on the path rather than down the road. This one's a lot looser than the other one, so this is probably the one I noticed the most. As you can see, it kind of moves up and down quite a bit. And I probably want it right on that, about that line right there, somewhere in the middle. And that way when somebody's standing in front of you, you're not blinding them. Or if somebody's coming at you head on, you're not blinding them. So I'm going to go ahead and kind of adjust them right here. Get them locked down, and I'll show you how I did that. And if you go up underneath here, right here, there is a Phillips screw. And there is a slot right here that it travels into, and that keeps it from traveling in the slot. Now, I admit this one is actually kind of going through the hole here, so it should have a washer or something on it, but also it's holding it really good, so I'm not going to mess with it. And the tool I used was this right here. And I've done a video on this, how to, I think, tighten screws in tight places or something like that. So it's a 1/4 inch ratchet with a socket that is actually a 1/4 inch socket that holds one of these tips here. Now, after dropping it about 10 times, I thought about it and I put some tape on it, which helped quite a bit. And then you can get that up in there and ratchet it away. Now, you can't do it with one hand. You got to definitely hold this at the same time it's in there and stuff to get it. But that will fit in between there and there. At least my Craftsman stubby screwdriver would not fit in here. So there you go. Now you know. We got that done. It looks pretty good. I'm pretty happy with it. We'll have to test it out in the real world to see if that's where I want it, but at least I have a good starting point, and if I need to go up or down from there, I can. So I realize this was a fairly simple thing, but this little trick here definitely helps out. So thanks for watching Junkworks Garage, where I'm proud to say I'm a jack of all and master of none. You all have a good one.